Alright, okay. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this! Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit. Oh fuck, fuck. I gotta. Okay, so it's like... Okay, I'm testing the mic right now. LT. Right in the balls. Look at the Gucci's! Oh man. Let's cut your foreskin with that shit. Die already, damn it. Oh fuck. This dude's still awake. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Do we go to that guy? RB. What's wrong with this guy?
Why, if it isn't Ryu.
Why it isn't Ryu, my
They were
good
minions of the Black
friend.
Spider clan. Indeed they were. We haven't heard from them in a while.
Indeed they were, Sonny.
Who's the woman? You
Who's
don't
the
know?
thought?
Neither do I. You couldn't save her?
Why
She was
couldn't you
looking for
save the
you.
thought? She got
She
a nice
said it was
pair.
about the Archfiend.
Oh no, not the Archfiend. I fucking hate that
The
YouTuber.
Archfiend.
And here I thought I couldn't like hear his fucking username ever again. Ooh. Oh, first person. Wait, can it? Nah, I can't do first person in the legendary statue of Earth Dragon. You can use the statue for when no enemies are present. Wait, that's how you save? Just click? That's fucking cool. Is that it? Oh man. Look at that. Give me them souls. Can I break stuff here? No. Wait, what's that? Herb of Spiritual Life. Restore a small amount of health. This item can heal the lasting damage that is marked in red on the health gauge. To use this item, press the down D-pad to open the item shortcut. Wait. Ah, yes. Wait, hang on a bit, hang on a bit, hang on a bit, hang on a bit. Yeah, there's no frame drops at the moment. Hang on, uh-oh. Why is there no sound? Uh-oh, what's going on? Yeah, I don't know why though. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Have some of these. Actually, guys, hang on, hang on. Let me quit first. Like, what the heck is going on? Well, at least I saved, right? Yeah, I finally found out how to do this. Alright, let's go. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I finally found out how to get this game to work on Xenia Canary. It turns out that you have to go to, like, you know, change a few things in the config. Once that's done, save it and then close it and then right click on the config and make it like read only. Oh, like, wait. Can you duck? Is there a ducking mechanic here? Wait. Ah, I could've just saved that, fuck. He just kicked it! Wait, how do you... Shit. Oh, fuck, I'm getting... Okay, this is not the game for me. Oh no. No, I'm not supposed to press that! No! Wait, what? Wait, hang on. What the fuck? Ooh. Shish kebab that fucker. Thanks. 9 hits, more like 9 tails, am I right? The reverse wind technique, LT. Bro, you don't have to kick. Again, what the fuck? I hate this. This reminds me of like Legacy of Camp Blood Omen where they just gotta fucking pin me. Y'all be beheaded now. What'd I get? Blue essential bonus your health. Hiya! Oh, look at that camera. Is there a combo in this game? Oh, wait, hang on. Is there anything here? Ooh, what's this? It's the technique of shadowless footsteps. Ah, okay. Do I really need to do that? Ah, maybe just in case people fail. Oh! Oh my god. Karma display? Oh, fuck. Hang on. Swimming control? Oh wait, no. Turn that shit off. Wait, hang on. I think... Wait, how do you do the shuriken? Whatever, the shooting star shit. Oh. Okay. Okay, it has to be in a wall. Oh. Okay, alright, okay, that's neat. That's fucking neat. Nice. Shit. L. Oh shit. Oh, wait, what? Fucking weird ass game. Okay, where the fuck am I supposed to go now? Am I gonna die if I jump? Is there like a jump? Okay. Behead. Off with your head! Should take off. Is that it? Bro, I'm just vandalizing shit. It's such a retro concept for this game. Where it gives you power to cast Ninpo? Wait. Wait, what? What the fuck is Ninpo? What the fuck? How did it? Hang on. Behead this motherfucker. Gods. Bro, you don't need a kick. Bro, what's with the kicking? Up yours, buddy. Oh no. Bro, the camera sucks ass, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, I have a quicker one. There we go. Bro, no, what the fuck? This control, man. Goodness gracious. There we go. Damn it. The flames of disaster. The flames of disaster. That it? That it? I didn't press that, by the way. I didn't. What the fuck? Wait, how did. Wait, what? Have some of these. I'll just spam this fucker. Wait, what is the technique called? Okay. So that's how you do it. Okay. A flying bird technique. Oh, this one's. Ooh, combo, fuck. Ooh, fuck. Who threw that spear? Who threw that fucking spear? Am I allowed to swim? Am I allowed to swim? Yes, I can. Ooh, breezy. What's this? Man, this fucker runs so slow. Can't I sprint in this game? No. What the fuck? I didn't press that. Chop suey. I like this song. What's this? Yeah, it's like God of War. It's like God of War. Wait. Man, look at the view. Man, look at that view. This is Neo Tokyo. Kind of reminds me of what's it called? Not Evangelion, Akira or Ghost in the Shell. Hang on. Let me take this view. You know, and it's like it reminds me of like Powerpuff Girls a bit. The city of Townsville, where every day people work and do their jobs and whatever. And it's like, I wonder if I could get rid of that HUD. That HUD display. Look at that. Bro, even for like a 360 game, this looks fucking good. Like, goddamn. It kind of reminds me of the intro to like Demon Days, live in Manchester. What is that? Projector? Okay, I think it's go time. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's save first. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like using the left analog stick. It's like he's like spinning. Alright, let's do this. Come on. Fancy. The flames of disaster. Burn in hell, you fucker. Is that it? Give me your life essence. Come on, go. This way? Oh, what the fuck? Nope, can't do that. Shit. bullshit. Shit. Ooh, I just kicked him and killed him. What a thrill. Look at that. What the? Oh no! What a thrill. Bro, just kicked him. What a thrill. The flying swallow technique, well... Okay, alright. Wait, is there upgrades in this? No, there's no upgrades at the moment. I don't know. What the fuck? Hiya! Oh, I didn't know that. That it? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I thought it was a boss battle. Okay. Nothing here. What's this? Ah, what a waste. Is that it? Do I go here? Yeah, I go here. the ultimate tickle. Isn't this the weapon that Sun Wukong used or whatever? I mean, pretty much. Oh, this is fucking. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. No, yep, I'm fucked. Nothing. I was just killing. Oh jeez, fucking hell. Pound. Want to go here? No. Oh wait, it's over? What? That's it? Or there's gonna be more? Where's the Muramasa shop? Where's that? Is that it?
Oh.
Fuck me. Is there a safe state here? Yeah, I should have like. Open sesame. Shadowless foot. Look at that scenery, bro. Look at that. Look at that level design. Shit. Stop spinning, you piece of shit. Oh, fuck. Fucking hell. Actually, I want to see. Look at them pixels, bro. Wait, I want to do that thing again. Yeah, like, look at those details for fuck's sakes. It's actually pretty good. I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of like either MGS2 or no, not MGS2. It kind of reminds me of like a bit of like Resident Evil 5 or 6. Oh wait, look at that. Wait, I'm not allowed. Wait. There you go. Look at that. That's supposed to be like the Empire State Building. Or like the Twin Towers? Yeah, it could be both. I don't know. Look at that. Oh, wait, what? Where am I supposed to go again? Am I supposed to go down there? Seems like a death trap. Wait, was I pissing? What the fuck? I don't know, man. I don't trust going there. I have like second thoughts and shit. Maybe I should go back. No? Bro, are you sure am I supposed to go down there? This is fucking scary. Like, I have this fear of heights. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Really? Ah, son of a bitch. Furious wind. Sounds like fart. Like they just gotta like I'm gonna let out a furious wind. Oh! Hadouken! Nah. Come on, Flames of Disaster. Knock it off. First person. Fuck, look at that view, dude. Ah, look at the fucking, like, sky cloud or whatever. Skybox. Look at that. Oh, I love this feature, bro. It's so good. Such scenery. Oh, look at that. Bro, we just watched that. We just witnessed it in FPS first person or whatever. Okay, now this kind of reminds me of Metal Gear Rising, even though this game was like came before that. Oh man, look at that, bro. It has that Singaporean design for the fish. Singaporean. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh man, look at that. Oh no, she's being held captive. What are we gonna do? Oh Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my god, you can't do that to a woman. Especially when it comes to a white woman. That's not cool, bro. Alright, I think that's about it. I'm about done. This is a good test. This is a good test. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. I think I'm about done for this stream. So yeah, thanks for those who are watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Really appreciated. Peace out, home dog. Later, hater.